the mesh is getting elongated, and here let's see what is going on. Here also it did not reach the other end. I think we have to keep this running for a while. I'll change the controlDict to 0.05. Now run it. So you can see it crashed as expected, and the reason for the crash is that here you can see that when this particular middle patch is moving, this came very close to this, and now it is not getting destroyed because this layered motion is not destroying or creating any new cells. This is just moving the mesh in a layered fashion. In order to create or destroy mesh elements, you have to create another dictionary which is called mesh modifiers. Usually you should keep this inside a new folder. I'll just go here in sliding, I'll create include. Inside this I'll make another file, mesh modifiers. So here this particular mesh modifier should be kept in constant inside polymesh, but since this polymesh is created every time, we'll just copy a link of this particular file in the constant folder. Here you can see the type is layerAdditionRemoval. Let's look at the layerAdditionRemoval source code. You can see here inside this dynamic mesh you have a folder, layerAdditionRemoval. It requires these particular values, which is the zone ID, the minimum layer thickness and maximum layer thickness. This is the minimum thickness of the extrusion layer that triggers the removal, and this will trigger the addition. It is simple. These names are you can keep anything, and which face is the face zone name, which is going to trigger the removal or addition. And similarly on the right side we have this face. This you can change according to your need. The minimum thickness, after this thickness it will remove this and merge this to the previous face. Once this is done, I'll again remove everything here, and I'll go to this file and then create a link of this mesh modifier at that particular location. You can check here, it created a link for this. It's just a link, it's not the actual file. And then again I'll run OpenFOAM, and now actually I can change the, let me not change the time step and run with the same time steps. It again crashed. Let's see why it crashed. Here let's look at the mesh, whether it is creating or not. It did not went all the way. Let's see what is the problem. I think we have to add some libraries. Yeah, we did not add few libraries which should be in the controlDict. Here we should have some libraries added. Now let me run this again. These are the libraries, the layerAdditionRemoval and the topo. This is already added. This one is for the rigid motion, but the most important one is this one. Let's see if it runs beyond 0.1. It again crashed. Let's see where is the include folder. Clearly the include folder is not at the right location. Move constant include to. Now if we do this again, let's remove everything. First remove the polymesh file and then create block mesh, create topo set, create patch, and then copy this and then run info. Inside polymesh do we have constant polymesh, do we have this? Yeah, this is the right file now. It should run fine now. Beyond 0.1, it ran beyond 0.1. That means it's working fine. Let's wait for a few more seconds. I think this much is enough.